Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to do that, like, ringtone from that one guy. I'm going to go to it real quick because, yeah, just cool. The ringtone sounds funny, like, really funny, so I'm just going to go to it real quick. Where? Nope, that's not the one. Where is it? Where is it? There it is.
Son, I'm sorry to say, but you're adopted. I was adopted? What happened to my biological parents? Well, your biological parents didn't want you anymore.
A lot of people like this ringtone and stuff, so it's 3, 2, 1. It's that one, okay? Alright, so what you're gonna do is go to voice effects, and you need CapCut for this, by the way. Go to voice effects. And by the way, I already saved this, so I'm not gonna save it again, but you need 2 apps for this. And then you're gonna go to synth. No, funny. Go to tremble. You want to put them both up all the way. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut out the part that's like. And delete the CapCut ending. Download it in the lowest quality download it in any quality you want, but I'm just gonna download it like this, so it's easier. And then what you gotta do is exit out of CapCut, and you're gonna go to this thing on the App Store called Ringtone Maker. It's it has like a pink logo. It's this one. It has 8,000 downloads. And then go to add video library, extract audio. Yeah, this one. Done. Go to info, make ringtone /trim. Cut it to however. Okay, now set ringtone, okay? Then you're gonna go to GarageBand. And then you're gonna hold. Wait, hang on. Oh, it doesn't go vertical. Sorry if it's sideways, by the way. Just flip your phone or something sideways, or move your head, sorry. Go to share, go to ringtone, go to continue. You can name it anything you want. I'm just gonna name it weird export, and then exporting right now. Okay, click OK. Then when you go to settings, sound and haptics, go to boom. Since I already have another one of this. Yeah, I already have another one of this, so I'm just gonna delete it. But yeah, there you go. That's how you do it.